Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically create this emoji overlay and how you can apply it on your videos. So just go to text. Some emojis doesn't work for some reason. It turns like black and white, but I'm just going to do this. It's fine. So I'll just click on my keyboard, or you can copy and paste the emojis from like a website or something, but since it's here, I feel like it's easier. Let's see, this heart shape, and then what else should I add? Maybe this bow, and then another heart shape, and then another heart shape. I don't really know what else to add. Maybe like this cupcake or something. And I think I'm just going to leave it like this. Then you're going to copy and paste it a few times and kind of like make a pattern. I'm just going to do that randomly, like so. Just copy and paste that a lot. And I'm just going to select everything once I'm done, and I'm going to right click, create compound clip. Then I'm going to select animation combo, and I'm going to select this wave slide or this one. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!